Sarafuddin. I'm a HR manager.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Yusuf Rahman. I am a secretary.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Ali Ghazwan bin Muhammad Zaini and I'm the marketing manager.
Hi, my name is Mukhtar Isdemir bin Muhammad Fazli. I'm a sales manager. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Dini Hakim. I'm a project manager.
So, I am Muhammad Amzad Rozuddin and I am Senior Sales Executive. Nice to meet you.
Before we start our meeting, I think good. We recite the doa and Fatihah. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, thank you for attending this meeting. Okay, so let's begin by reviewing the update past agenda before we move on to the employee motivation event planning. Okay, before we continue, I appreciate everyone punctually and commitment, especially as we are preparing for an important event that aims to improve staff morale. I hope today's discussion will be productive and smooth. Okay, all right. As discussed earlier, the cause of workplace toxicity include miscommunication, gossip, weak teamwork, unclear expectation, and workload stress. Okay.
Yes, Jefferson. From the sales flow, we noticed that miscommunication happens when roles are not clear assigned. Training will define the help.
I agree. Structured communication guideline will reduce misunderstanding and help create a safer work culture.
I support the idea of monthly bonding season. If required, I can assist with simple setup for desk small gathering.
And from management, we welcome the zero tolerance policy. It's important to address gossip and blame culture family.
Noted, Chairperson. I will update the past agenda session as completed and documented.
Okay, thank you everyone. It's clear that each department understands the importance of improving our work environment.
I think perhaps we can also prepare a short guideline, short guideline booklet to remind staff about expected behavior that we expect.
Yes, a simple PDF memo can already make a big difference.
Yeah, so manager. Okay, let's move on to our main agenda. Okay, the planning about planning the employee motivation event. First, let's finalize the theme.
I propose that we choose the theme about stronger together because it reflects the unity and rebuilding teamwork for resolving a toxic issue.
I agree. The theme is easy to promote and fix both motivation and team building objective.
Yes, and it meshes activities that involve teamwork. It will be meaningful for staff participations.
From a logistical point, it's also suitable because we can align the stage design and venue easily with that theme.
Okay, good point. Stronger together. Yeah.
Yes.
Also symbolic our collective growth. Okay.
Once the theme is confirmed, I will ensure our design reflect energetic and positive colors. Being
And-
more energetic.
Okay, alright.
And we can highlight
Hmm.
the theme in our opening and closing remarks during the event.
I will include the finalized theme in the event documentation.
Okay, good. Okay, alright. So now let's discuss about the activities. About motivation talks, games, awards, workshops, and fun challenge. Any feedback from you guys?
For games,
Okay.
we can support crowd engagement. Our team can handle grouping and energizing participants.
I also agree with that. I will prepare the poster and the event visual identified once the final theme is confirmed today.
For my opinion, maybe we can add ice-breaking challenge at the start. It helps warm up the participants before the main activities.
For me, I will ensure technical requirement such as a sound system, projector, and venue floor are ready before the event day.
Good. Excellent. I want the activities to feel meaningful, but not too formal. Okay.
I think we could also add a short boost section for staff engagement.
Oh, alright.
And maybe a small team competition to encourage friendly collaboration.
Great.
I will make sure the time of each activity is well coordinated.
Good. Okay. So continue. As per the minutes, HR handle coordination, marketing creates materials, sales support, sales support logistic, project manager manage venue, and secretariat and then the documentation, right? Okay. So any objections?
No objection, Chairperson. I will prepare the registration and attendance list accordingly.
Okay.
For logistics, we prepare volunteers from the sales team to help on the event day.
I will also prepare a checklist for equipment and venue layout.
And for my team department, we will start drafting the promotional concept immediately after we finish all this meeting.
And I will help monitor the flow of team building games and make sure their participation are engaged.
Okay, good. With clear rules, we can avoid confusion on the event day.
I will also create a timeline chart so everyone can track responsibilities.
Our volunteers will attend a short briefing before the event.
And I will share the initial design draft in the group chat within 2 days. So is it okay? Within 2 days?
Okay?
Yeah, okay. I think it's alright. Okay, we continue. Okay, we confirm the task. Secretary?
Yes, Chairperson. The action items are HR manager draft the proposal within 1 week. Second, marketing completes team materials in 5 days. Project manager confirm venue and speaker in 2 weeks. Secretary prepares administrative checklist before next meeting. Last, sales manager supports logistics as needed.
So I think all the lines are clear to me. I will proceed with the team material.
Also me, I will begin contacting the venue options today.
And I will coordinate with my team regarding event day support.
And I can help the sales managers to ensure volunteers understand the activity flow.
Okay, once all tasks are complete, we will schedule a quick follow-up meeting. Alright?
I will circulate the minutes by the end of today.
Good.
Please let me know if any department or any department of you guys need specific visuals. Let me know. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Okay, so I think that's today about the meeting. Thank you everyone. Your cooperation is appreciated. I hope this event is important to boost motivation and create positive workplace culture. Okay, meeting adjust.
Understood, Chairperson. I will finalize the minutes and circulate team shortly.
Thank you, everyone. Let's work together to make this event successful.
I will update the group once the venue confirmation is done.
Our department looking forward to collaborating with all of your department.
Inshallah, everything will run smoothly with everyone's commitment.
Yeah, I hope you guys clear about the meeting today. Okay, we close the meeting with tasbih kafarah dan suratul Nas. Subhanallah. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
See you in that event.
Bisa?